Alright, give me mother a call her now. Call Bum Prime right now. Bum Prime. Yeah. You come meet me tomorrow for the money. Yeah man, I have 5 bills to give. I'm up on my lab. Yeah man, just when you come up at the stoplight, you just walk come straight up the road, then you come back down the road a couple bit after you come up, yeah. You take 2 turn off. Yeah man, take 2 turn off at the left, same place as well. Yeah man, you see one big tree with green leaf on it. Yeah. Yeah man, the lady always at the roadside saying the blue skirt. Yeah man, I want a dog go down and chop in her neck back. You see the dog man. You go see a dog at the roadside. That's where I live. Yeah man. Hold on. Behave.
Move from here, because I know you not have no battery in your phone. So stop from going like say I talk to somebody. Move!
Bum Prime, hold on, let me put in a battery and call you.